Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change folder color in Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to browser. Here we search foldermarker.com. Then press enter. Here you will see. Then click on download now. After download complete, install it like normal software. Now it's time to change folder color. Right click on the folder you want to customize. Select mark folder. Here you will see all the colors you want to customize. For example, I will click on green. Now you will see the folder color is now green. You can apply icons on priority labels. Right click again, folder, click on mark folder. Here you will see high priority, normal priority, approved, pending. For example, I will click on high priority. Wait for 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and completed. You will see the folder will be in high priority. Now it's time to remove or reset color. Just right click on it. Click on mark folder. Here you will see restore default. Click on restore default. The folder again in normal. And that's it. You have learned how to change folder color in Windows 11 and keep everything organized in visually clean way. If this video helped you, hit like button, subscribe for more Windows 11 tip and drop a comment. Thanks for watching.